Hello everyone, welcome back to Wave. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make wavy text in Canva. So let's have a look now. So first, you have to select the text and go for effects. Then scroll down, you will find a curve. Click on it. Okay, there you go. Now we are gonna duplicate this text and go for effects. Then here you can change the curve position. Click on it. Okay, now you have your wavy text. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Wave. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.